So what we're gonna do, excellent. Have a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's on Amazon. So go over and grab yourself one. To that friend. Amazing. So yeah, continue, you know what I mean, doing what you're doing. That is amazing. Ah, it smells so good. Here it is. Here's my cup, which I'm going to be using. The rest of this, right here, we are going to pour some hot water.